Good morning. This is addition to the Carenware update. I guess this would be going on to episode 4 maybe. Okay, Replicator. Is Replicator going to be rewritten as it is? No. Replicator is going to be a GUI on top of a command line tool called Rsync. Most of Karen's fans don't care about the details, I don't think. The reason they're using Carenware is because they don't want to use command line tools. All right, that's awesome. Baby. What does it look like? Why, yes, they do. They look like disturbances in Saturn's rings. Most likely, what Karen's power tools are going to end up being are command line replacements for GNU tools. GNU stands for GNU is not Unix. GNU is not Unix. That's a recursive initialism. GNU is not Unix. The G stands for GNU. The N stands for not Unix. Huh, isn't that cool? Okay, well, GNU not Unix. That's an Rsync. You can get it there. What I see Karen's power tools becoming is a set of GUI interfaces on top of Linux, which are formerly Unix, command line tools such as Rsync for Replicator. That's remote sync. It duplicates files to file servers even remotely, to different directories or file servers even remotely, using a bunch of different protocols, including some that don't require sending all of the file at one time, so it can do like block level updates. That's cool. So you can look that up at rsync.samba.org. You can mess with it now and see how it works. For directory printer, I was thinking, how would I do a directory printer on a Linux system? Well, the way we always did it is you would use the ls command to list the files. You'd use the ls commands to list the files, and then you'd pipe them, which means take the output from the ls command and send it through the awk command, awk, which is basically a way to reformat columnar data the way you want to see it, and then save it to a file or print it. So directory printer will most likely be a report writer built on top of that sort of functionality. Information that's embedded in the files, the camera focal length, the artist, the album, the composer. Well, instead of ls, you just replace that with a tool that spits out columnar data that you want. Throw it through awk and you got the same thing. All right, that is the total update for September. My goal for the last week of September is to raise $500. I need $500. Doesn't matter the reason. All right.